Hello everyone, welcome to Qondle Technology. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get jokes from ChatGPT. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Qondle Technology. So let's get started. For this, to get jokes from ChatGPT, you can use specific prompts that will help to encourage the model to generate humorous content. So I'm gonna show you 3 approaches, each with example prompt. Number 1. Classic joke prompt. Example prompt: tell me a classic, clean joke suitable for all ages. Let's see the answer. So, this prompt asks ChatGPT for traditional clean jokes, perfect for a light laugh. This prompt asks for traditional clean jokes, perfect for a light laugh. Number 2. Theme-based joke prompt. Example prompt: tell me a tech-related joke about computers and coding. Here, you have to tailor the joke to specific theme such as animal, work, technology. This gives a unique flavor to the humor. Here's the result. And the last one, number 3. Pun-based joke prompt. Example prompt: give me a pun about coffee. This type of prompt focuses on puns or wordplay. Puns are great for witty, clever humor. So, these approaches allow you to customize the humor based on your audience and context. You can experiment with this to get jokes that fit your needs. I hope you like this video. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.